I have this free calendar I give away. It's called Big Year. You can get it at bettersheets.co/big year. But right now I want to update it. I want to make a focusable yearly calendar. So this is what the end result is going to be. It's going to be today. I want to focus just on today. I want to highlight just today, but in the reverse of highlight, essentially. I want to black out everything in the entire calendar except for today. So I'm going to show you how I did this, and we're going to do this right now step by step. It's super simple and ends up being pretty quick. So let's take the original Big Year. This is a template. Again, it's absolutely free over at bettersheets.co/big year. I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to call this today. Now, what happens is this particular date is the first of the year, 2026. That's next year when I'm filming this, but I want to make it to this year, so I can do this and it updates everything. So that's one cool thing about Bettersheet. So every single day is updated and it's the entire year in one tab. So how do I highlight today? Well, let's go up to formatting, conditional formatting. And we already have some conditional formatting here. These are weekends. I'm just going to delete them all because in this particular template, I just want to see today. So I'm going to add another rule, and notice the range is B3 to C3. This is essentially what I have highlighted already, but I want to change this. I'm going to change this to B1 colon, and I'm going to go all the way to the end, BK. I'm going to set that as the range, and I'm going to say custom formula is the format rule equals. Now, B1 equals B1 means I'm looking at not just B1, but actually every cell. It's going to update B and 1 unless I put a $sign here. If I put a $sign, everything's looking at B1. But if I do this, it's basically relative. It's going to change all this conditional formatting. And I'm going to do equals today. Now, you'll not see anything happen because probably only one of these is today. Today is November 20th, so let's look at November 20th and see it is highlighted. Well, I also want to highlight the one underneath it, so I need to do one more thing, which is click done here, add another rule, do the exact same thing, B1 colon BK, custom formula is, and I'm going to copy and paste everything there, but going to change the range to B2. Now, what happens here is that in the cell B2, I'm looking at B1, the one right above it. So when I'm in AN23, I'm actually looking at AN22. This is all relative. So this B1 is just the relative position. So we change the range to the second row down, but we keep the formula to say look at just the row above it. Okay, so this is highlighting, but I don't want to highlight it. I want to focus on it. So I want everything else to be black and this one to be normal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this background color to white. I'm going to click done. I'm also going to change the background color of the other conditional formatting we created to white. And now it's looking like nothing, right? Like we have created nothing. All of that for nothing. No, that is not the case. We are going to go up to B2 and scroll all the way down to the bottom right and shift and hold everything. Now we are highlighting everything, and just the normal color will be black. Okay, so that blacks out everything. Now let's double check. Is November 20th, again, I'm filming this on November 20th. Boom, there it is. November 20th, out of the primordial ooze of this whole calendar of one whole year, only one day is quote-unquote highlighted. Everything else is blacked out except for one day. I think this is pretty cool. I thought it was really fun. I created this tab called Focus so that you can see the entire year, but actually only focus on one day, which is today. And I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, get bettersheets.co/big year. Get it today, Big Year. It's a free template. You get all of these templates actually included with it. It's getting bigger and bigger this Big Year. Every time I'm adding new templates. Gosh, I added a school template. There's a checkbox version. There's a tiny version. There's a mini version. So many versions. And once you get it, actually, just email me and let me know what kind of features you want. Like, for example, someone asked, hey, can I edit the weekends that are highlighted. Yes, yes, you can. Now you can. So weekend 2, you just enter the number of the day. So like 1 is a Sunday, 7 is a Saturday. If you want any other days highlighted, just put in those days, and it'll highlight them across the entire, all of the templates, entire big year. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.